A buffer zone is a designated area that serves as a protective barrier between two distinct regions or entities. It plays a crucial role in various contexts, including environmental conservation, international diplomacy, and safety measures. Buffer zones are established with the primary objective of safeguarding the integrity and functionality of the adjoining areas, often by limiting certain activities or influences within the buffer area. In the realm of environmental conservation, buffer zones are frequently utilized to protect sensitive ecosystems and biodiversity. These areas are strategically placed around nature reserves, national parks, or protected habitats to mitigate the negative impacts of human activities on the environment. Buffer zones serve as a transitional space where human activities are controlled or regulated to minimize disturbances to the adjacent natural areas. This helps maintain the ecological balance, prevents habitat degradation, and safeguards endangered species. In international diplomacy, buffer zones are employed as a means to reduce tensions and conflicts between neighboring countries or regions. These zones act as a physical or political separation, providing a cooling-off period during disputes or negotiations. Buffer zones can help prevent direct confrontations, create a space for dialogue, and facilitate peaceful resolutions to conflicts. They have been used historically in various territorial disputes, such as the Demilitarized Zone (DMZ) between North and South Korea. In the context of safety measures, buffer zones are established to minimize risks associated with hazardous activities or installations. For instance, around nuclear power plants or chemical factories, buffer zones are designed to limit public access and development to reduce the potential impact of accidents or disasters. These zones often have strict regulations and emergency response plans in place to ensure the safety of nearby communities. Buffer zones can also be found in urban planning and land use management. They are created to separate incompatible land uses, such as industrial zones from residential areas, to protect residents from noise, pollution, and other negative externalities. These buffer zones help maintain the quality of life and ensure the well-being of residents while promoting sustainable urban development. In conclusion, buffer zones serve as critical tools in various fields to protect, preserve, and manage the spaces and interactions between different entities. Whether in environmental conservation, international diplomacy, safety measures, or urban planning, these designated areas play a vital role in maintaining harmony, reducing conflicts, and safeguarding the well-being of people and the environment. By strategically delineating and regulating these zones, societies can strike a balance between competing interests and ensure the long-term sustainability of their surroundings.